life, but it is also death. My name is Saskia, last descendant of Abraham van Helsing, slayer of Dracula, destroyer of monsters. Valor runs strong in my family's bloodline, just as evil courses through the house of Dracula.
My pursuit of Dracula's brides has brought me to this place. My pursuit of Dracula's brides has brought me to this place. My pursuit of Dracula's brides has brought me to this place. My pursuit of Dracula's brides has brought me to this place.
Last of the Van Helsing. Last of the Van Helsing. Last of the Van Helsing. Of the Van Helsing. I will destroy this unholy alliance. I will destroy
Monster and monster hunter. Together we embarked on a fateful journey. Monster and monster hunter.